In this video, we'll show you how to browse the internet on your Google or Android TV. So on most TVs, you will find the browser app pre-installed from your manufacturer. So as you can see, my TCL TV already has an app called Browse here. I can use that to browse the web. But if you can't find this app, you can also head to the Play Store and then simply search for the browser app. From here, simply download any browser app that you like. Once you have installed it, simply open it and then go through the initial setup process. After that, you should see a screen like this. You can then use your TV remote to browse the web as usual. So as you can see, I can open the Google search here. I can now search for anything that I want. Of course, I can also use the mic on my TV remote. On the left, you will see all your bookmarks, history, downloads, and even settings, just like you do on your computer or phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.